You can sit in any comfortable cross-leg position and make sure your spine is fully erect, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and try to relax your whole physical body. Let go all the tensions from the body. Let go all the thoughts and desires from the mind. Just relax. Now let's chant 3 Ohms and try to feel its vibration is healing your body, calming your mind. Inhale. Observe your whole body. Feel the maximum body weight is on your sitting bones. Spine is straight and relax the whole body. For meditation, first thing is the posture. Your posture must be still, comfortable and relaxed. Take your time to settle down in your physical posture. Try to avoid any physical movements. Command your body to be still like a stone for next some time. Now let's take your attention to your breath. Feel that every incoming breath is energizing your body. Every outgoing breath is relaxing your body. Just keep breathing consciously. Remember that every breath has got capacity to heal you, relax you, change you and transform you. So utilize it as much as possible and enjoy each and every breath. Every breath is gift to us from Divine. Feeling grateful for each breath. The breath will become subtle when you continuously watching them for some time. Now become aware of your own mind and thoughts. There may be some thoughts are coming and going. Let them come and go. Do not chase or identify them. You just simply accept them and witness them as you witness the clouds in the sky. And eventually all these clouds or thoughts will disappear, and mind will become calm, quiet and empty. When body is totally still and relaxed, when mind is fully peaceful, this is the time when your body and mind will start receiving the tremendous amount of divine energy or cosmic energy from the cosmos. Your body and mind are under the shower of cosmic energy now. So enjoy this shower. This energy is nourishing your body, transforming your mind. This is the time when you can dive deep within and touch the self. Feel yourself and be yourself. The real happiness is within us, but to experience and feel it, one has to go beyond the physical and mental level. You cannot be the body, you cannot be the mind. The body and mind are keep on changing, and yet you feel the same because you are unchangeable. You are permanent. You are infinite. You are one with whole universe. You are connected with every creature on this planet. Feel love for every creature. Feel oneness merge in it. Now slowly become aware of your own mind. Become aware of your own breath. Become aware of the rhythm of your breath. Feel the warmth of your breath. Become aware of your whole physical body. Feel the lightness and stillness in your physical body. Feel the calmness in your mind. There is nothing that can disturb the peace of your mind now. Simply enjoying this peace of mind. Simply enjoying the happiness, joy, which is within you. You are the happiness. You are the truth. You are the peace and joy. Let's close our meditation with 3 Oms. Inhale. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May there be peace all around us. May there be peace in every cell of this universe. May there be peace in every cell of your physical body.